If you're struggling to get views on YouTube, chances are your video titles are the problem. The truth is, you could have the best content, but if your titles aren't clickable, then nobody's watching that video. That is why in this video, I'm giving you a list of powerful YouTube title templates that will attract clicks, get you more views, more subscribers, give your channel more exposure, and grow your channel really fast. These title strategies are the same strategies like top creators they use for their videos to keep people hooked. So let's jump right into it. But before we jump right into it, let me let you know now, the PDF for these video titles, I'm going to be dropping it in my Telegram group because I can't drop it here on YouTube. It's a PDF. So please, if you haven't yet joined the Telegram group, click the link in my description, my video description, or I'm going to also link it down as a pinned comment. So click that and join the Telegram group so that you can get the direct access to the title PDFs. If you can't join the Telegram group, then get your paper, get your pen, and get ready to write. But it's better you join the Telegram group so that you can have easy access to the PDF. Now let's dive right into the titles that will get you more views and more subscribers. All right, so this file is called the YouTube title hooks. And in this file, I've included 10 title structures that I've used and I still use to create great hooks. So I'm going to put them on the screen for you. This file also includes examples of these titles being used for other niches. So you can see how to adopt and use them in yours. So whatever the title I put here as an example, you just replace the template with something in your niche. I'm going to give you title examples so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So the ones marked in red that's what you're going to be changing in the template to the one that fits your niche. It's as easy as ABC. So let's dive right into the first template. Template 1. Now the hook. This is the title. Why people over 40 must start a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you've been seeing this on YouTube. If you haven't yet seen it on YouTube, then that means you're not familiar with the YouTube space. But this is a topic that is trending. So the template is why people, then certain criteria. Like the example said, people over 40 must start the thing. Okay. Example, why women over 60 must start weight training. Or why base fisherman must start using rubber worm. This kind of example. So basically, these are the type of examples you just change the templates to match your niche. Moving on to hook number 2, which is YouTube changed my life with less than 1,000 subscribers. This one is also really, really popular and it gets traction. It gets a lot of views. So the template is your niche / the activity or the interest. Then you add the changed my life with, and then you put the false belief. Okay. For example, vegan eating changed my life without starving myself, which means people believe that when you're vegan, you're starving or you lack food. So this will get people that are interested in trying to go vegan to check out like, oh, let me watch this video actually. Or you could say lifting weights changed my life without spending hours in the gym. Because a lot of people believe that before you can achieve a certain type of body, you need to spend a lot of time in the gym. So this is debunking that. And people that want to, have a better body without spending hours in the gym, they are going to be interested in this video. Another example is selling on Etsy changed my life with less than 50 products. So I think these templates are very quite explanatory. Wherever you see the red is where you're going to swap with your niche. Swap it with your niche. So now let's move to hook 3, which is new Etsy sellers do this or Etsy won't give you sales. The template is new in bracket the person or the thing, which was the Etsy seller. Do this or the thing in brackets won't give you then the result. For example, let's see. New vegans do this or your vegan diet won't work. New fishermen, do this or you won't catch bass. Okay. New gardeners, do this or your plant won't grow. New gardeners, do this or your plant will die. If I was to put that in my niche, I would say new YouTubers, do this or your channel won't get monetized. Things like that. Okay. Moving on to the next hook 4. If I started a new Etsy shop in 2023, I'll do this. So the template is if I started the thing in the year, I'll do this. You've 100% seen if I started a new YouTube channel in 2025, I'll do this. You've seen that on YouTube. Okay. It's trending everywhere. So next example is if I started lifting weights in 2024, I'll do this. Or if I started gardening in 2024, I'll do this. If I started eating vegan in 2024, I'll do this. So this template, it really works. Let's move to hook number 5. Why this Etsy seller got banned and lost it or avoid this mistake. This one is a really good one. A lot of people love learning from people's mistakes. So they want to see what you've done wrong and so they don't try it. Okay. So an example is why my YouTube channel got deleted. Avoid this mistake. This one too is huge in the YouTube space, especially in the YouTube growth niche. Okay. Next example, why this weightlifter stopped building muscles. Avoid this mistake. Why this gardener lost their tomato crops. Avoid this mistake. Or why this sports card collection got scammed. Avoid this mistake. So there are various ways you can use this template. Just make it interesting. Make sure the thing you're replacing it with in the template is something that sparks curiosity, something that people want to watch. So let's move on to hook 6. Hook 6 is 5 minutes and you crush your Q4 Etsy sales in 2024. You've seen this one. You'll see videos like, give me 5 minutes and you get 1,000 subscribers, or give me 5 minutes and you get 4,000 watch hour. This one is very popular in the YouTube space. Okay. So the template is 5 minutes and the positive thing, your positive thing result in the current year. So adding years in YouTube title also helps the site to get really, really optimized. Okay. So sometimes you try to add years, you add numbers, stuff like that. So example, we have 5 minutes and you grow your largest tomato plant ever in 2024. 5 minutes and you crush your weight loss goal in 2024. 5 minutes and you crush your spot card collection in 2024. 5 minutes and you get monetized on YouTube in 2025. You understand? So just fixing how it doesn't have to be 5 minutes. You could use give me 10 minutes. You could use give me 2 minutes. However length your video is after editing it, that's the minutes you're going to put in front of this title. Okay. Moving on to the hook number 7, we have 5 proven strategies to increase your Etsy traffic in 2024. So the template is 5 proven, then that's the strategy, tips, or technique. Okay. So then you put the positive result and in the current year. Example, 5 proven strategies to lose weight in 2024. This one is is a good one. Okay. So 5 proven tips to grow the best watermelon in 2024, or you could use techniques. So 5 proven techniques to catch more bars in 2024. Hook number 8 is the reality of being a new Etsy seller, less than 100 sales. So the template is the reality of being a new, then you put the stuff in the bracket, then you put the results in the bracket. For example, like the reality of being a new YouTuber in 2025, less than 1,000 subscribers. You understand? The reality of being a new fisherman, less than 6 months. The reality of being a new gardener, in less than 3 months. Stuff like that. Moving on to hook number 9, the new Etsy, here's how to stand ahead. So the template is the new dash, which is the niche, the platform, the style. Yeah, here's how to, then you put the result or keep improving. Example, the new vegan diet, here's how to pick better groceries. The new vertical gardener, here's how to grow better vegetables. Then the last hook number 10, which is breaking news. Etsy reveals new AI bot seller suspension. So the template is the breaking news in front. Then you put the niche, the platform, or whatever it is. Then you reveal the information. Okay. Example, breaking news, vegan diet forum reveals new protein source. Breaking news, Bat Fisherman Group reveals new rubber worm experiments. Breaking news, Beachbody reveals new strength training exercise to avoid. So there you have it for these title hooks. If you use any or all of these 10 hooks, you will see a difference in your channel because your titling and your thumbnail is everything, which is your CTR, your title and your thumbnail. Those are the 2 things that make or break your video before the person even gets into the video and starts with your hook and then get into your video content. So make sure to always optimize your title and your thumbnail. And from this title now, the next step is your thumbnail. If you want to know how to get great thumbnail or want to know how I do my thumbnail, please stay tuned. I'm going to be going live very soon to show you how I do my thumbnail. It's going to be a live tutorial. I could have done it as a video, but it's really going to be a lengthy one. And I do not have that luxury of time to edit a video that is that long for you because it's a live, doing it live is the best. So I'm going to do a live tutorial. I'm going to go live and show you exactly how I do my thumbnail. And after that, I will upload it as a video. I think that's better because I do not have time to start editing that. It's going to be a lot of work. So if you're interested in that, join the Telegram group so you get alerted when I'm live. And also subscribe here if you haven't and turn on post notification also, okay? The live video is going to be very essential because I've been getting a lot of messages to do a thumbnail tutorial and I've just been pushing it off because it's a lot of work, honestly. But I'll do it as a live video, okay? So I have little few tips. One last tip that I'm going to give you when it comes to titling your videos. For your titles, add every day or days to your title. For example, I got monetized in 30 days, stuff like that. Or I posted a video every day for 7 days and this is what happened. Just add days to your title. It helps. Also, habits. 5 habits that made me a millionaire. 5 habits that got me 5,000 subscribers. Add habits to your title. Add est, the hardest, the fastest, the quickest way to get monetized, the hardest way to get monetized, the easiest way to get monetized, EST, use those in your titles. Also use numbers and years, like I just said, in 2025, or five reasons why, or 5 habits that you understand. Just mix them up, use numbers, use days, use regret and fear words like I wish I knew this before I started a YouTube channel, or I wish I knew this before I did this or that. Do you understand what I mean? Next is also use stop and don't in your titles. Stop doing these 5 things. Don't do this if you don't want your channel to do this. You understand? Next, use why. Why a lot of YouTubers do not get monetized quick. Why a lot of YouTubers do not get subscribers quick. Stuff like that. And then last, use secret and BTS, which is the secret behind my YouTube success, the secret behind this, that, or behind the scene of doing this. You get the point. Use all these things in your title. This is the best title optimization video you will see on the internet because I've given you all my title secrets, the hooks, the templates, and these tips I've just given you at the end. So people that do not watch the video to the end will not get this part of the video. But I'm also going to drop it in my Telegram group. So please subscribe to the Telegram group. It's free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything. The link is going to be in the description and down in the comments. So I hope this title has been able to help you. Please use them properly, use them well. You will see a difference in your channel. I promise you will see a difference, and work on your thumbnail. So please do not miss the thumbnail class so that you can have your title and your thumbnails, join them together and get the best view you'll ever have on YouTube. Okay. All right. Please do not hesitate to share this video to your fellow YouTuber or someone that needs this video to learn how to title their YouTube videos. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll link videos in the cards to help you on your YouTube journey. Check them out. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.